actually thank God for the successful conduct of the election, and most especially for the peaceful conduct of the parties represented. And based on the provision of INEC on the declaration of the winner, I wish to read as follows.
Your name, please.
I wish to read as follows. I, Professor Ahmad Abdulhamid, as based on EC 8E1, which is the declaration of result, that Yakubu Suleiman Abubakar of PDP, having satisfied the requirement of the law and having scored a total vote of 11,785, is hereby declared the winner and is returned.